This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Doug Nesbitt. Original owner shows pride of ownership in this open floor plan 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. Super tall vaulted ceilings accented with oversized skylights brings in all-day sun. Great home with both large living room, dining and great room, all of the kitchen. Nice fireplace to enjoy in great room. 4th bedroom or office on main floor as well. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms and a wonderful primary bedroom with sun-drenched bathroom complete with corner jetted tub and separate shower. Nice deck to enjoy your morning coffee, also off primary. Additional full bath upstairs as well. Attached 2-car garage, room to build a huge loft above the cars. Be sure to drive up Water Tower Ct to see more parking behind home. Walking trails to Stimson Reserve. For more information, review the details below.